Are you suffering from a hair loss? Then this product is for you. Use at home at your convenience. First, remove the cap from the container, twist and open. Second, open the lid of the safety cap and combine the safety cap on the container. Apply directly to your scalp while gently pressing the safety cap down. Be careful not to spill any liquid or in your eyes. Press into scalp with a comb for 5 to 10 minutes. Distribute evenly through the scalp. Everyone dreads the onset of alopecia, but what if there's a way out of it? A way to get your hair back? Use a proven product with licensed clinical trials and published scientific data. NSL is an innovative new product that takes the fear out of alopecia. Just don't forget.